Welcome back to Double Chin's Pulls. It's your boy Mike, and I just purchased last week mystery packs online from 321 Baseball, Edition 3. There's 82 out of 100 produced. So, in this pack here, only bought one, you are guaranteed one slab card, 2 insert cards, 3 rookie cards. All cards are protected in sleeves of Card Saver 1s and ready for grading. Each pack has a case of 5 packs that are guaranteed to be unique and no duplicates. I'm excited for this. Been looking forward to this. The seller information, Justin Farber 10. 100% positive feedback. So as you can see, it comes in this beautiful case. I got a mystery card with it also. I got Julian Tristan. And he says, thanks from Justin. It's a random bonus. So that's pretty cool, as you can see. It's 35 out of 50. From Fleer. Not bad. So you can see this pack. 82 out of 100. Let's get this baby open. Let's see what we get. Alright. As you can see, it's nicely packed inside. Really tight. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, got this piece of cardboard here. We're going to do this way. So our first hit out of the 321 Baseball Mystery Explosion Pack. Let's go. First hit. Michael Fulmer. 30 out of 99 for the Detroit Tigers. Game Used Memorial. From Heritage. Next card. Jalen Beeks, rookie card. Third card. Daniel Medgan from the Oakland A's. Look at that stash. Best stash in the game right there. Beautiful signature right there. And our slab is a Mickey Mornarini Mint 9 from the Phillies. It's not bad. Rookie card. We have a Leaf signature, William Duncan. 11 out of 15. And our last card is a Johan Moncada, rookie card, second baseman for the Chicago White Sox. Number 9 out of 150. Beautiful condition. Card saver. Got some nice hits here. A lot of rookie cards. Nice patch here. Game Used Memorabilia. This is from 321 Baseball Mystery Explosion Packs. I had pack 82 out of 100. So I would purchase this again. Let's go. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, hit that notification. This is Double Chin's Pulls. This is Mike. Thanks for coming.